Are you importing or exporting goods and wondering how customs clearance works? Or are you looking for a reliable customs house agent to handle your shipments? In this video, we will explain the customs clearance process, the documents required, the difference between import and export customs clearance, and how Falcon can help make the entire process hassle-free. Falcon is a trusted customs house agent with over 35 years of experience providing customs clearance services across India's major ports and logistic hubs, including Delhi, Nhava Sheva, Mundra, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Ahmedabad. What is customs clearance? Customs clearance is the legal process of obtaining approval from customs authorities to import or export goods. Before any shipment enters or leaves India, customs officials verify the cargo, check the documents, calculate duties and taxes, and ensure all government regulations are met. Once everything is approved, the shipment is released for delivery or export. Import customs clearance. Import customs clearance is required when goods enter India. It involves filing the bill of entry, verifying shipment documents, paying customs duties and GST, and obtaining customs approval before the cargo can be released for delivery. Export customs clearance is required when goods are shipped from India to another country. It includes filing the shipping bill, verifying export documents, complying with export regulations, and obtaining customs permission before the shipment is loaded and dispatched. How does the customs clearance process work? The customs clearance process begins with preparing and submitting all the required documents. Customs officials then verify the shipment details, assess the cargo, classify the goods, and calculate the applicable duties and taxes. In some cases, the shipment may also undergo a physical inspection. Once all customs requirements are met and the duties are paid, the shipment is cleared and released for import or export. With an experienced customs house agent like Falcon, the entire process becomes faster, smoother, and hassle-free. Documents required for customs clearance. Some of the most commonly required documents include commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading or airway bill of entry, shipping bill, import-export code, GST registration, certificate of origin, insurance certificate, product-specific licenses or approvals where applicable. Accurate documentation helps prevent delays, penalties, and unnecessary inspections. How Falcon helps. Falcon manages the complete customs clearance process from start to finish. Our experienced team assists with documentation, HS code classification, customs filing, duty calculation, regulatory compliance, and shipment tracking. Whether your cargo is transported by air, sea, or road, Falcon ensures a smooth, transparent, and timely customs clearance process so your shipments reach their destination without unnecessary delays. With more than 35 years of industry experience, expert customs professionals, and services across India's major ports and airports, Falcon is a trusted partner for business involved in international trade. If you are looking for fast, reliable, and hassle-free import or export customs clearance, Falcon is here to help. Contact Falcon today and let our experts handle your customs clearance while you focus on growing your business. Falcon, a trusted customs house agent across India.